welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different of a makeup tutorial. So usually for makeup tutorials, I typically like to do voiceovers, and that is because I can say something as many times as I want until I get it right, because I might not necessarily go as in depth about the products as I would if I was talking here. But one thing is, I know I ramble. When I do a voiceover, I know I can kind of cut to the point and talk about it quicker and more efficiently, as opposed to stumbling over my words a lot right here, talking to the camera and then redoing it, but I already have makeup on my eye. It's a process. So that being said, I was recently scrolling through my iPhone library and I came across a video from last summer where me and my friends all took the Speech Jammer app and had to tell a weird, funny story that we recently had while using the Speech Jammer app. So for those of you who don't know, the Speech Jammer app is an app that was really popular, I would say probably about 5 years ago, and basically whenever you talk into it, it repeats what you say but adds a delay, so it kind of messes you up when you're talking. So I had the bright idea when I saw this video that I would do this, but while doing my voiceovers, because I already mess up a lot talking in my voiceovers, so why not have a really bad experience but make it entertaining for you guys? So anyways, I thought that this would be a really fun challenge. To my knowledge, I don't think anybody else has done it.
Are you sure about that?
But I also haven't looked it up, so if there is, I will leave them linked down below. If not, hi, how are ya? In my opinion, I think it's original, but everyone has amazing ideas and great minds think alike, so I would not be surprised if somebody else did this tutorial, nor would I come at somebody if someone else did it. I'm like, oh, that's my idea, just because my ego's not that big. So anyways, if this is a video you guys are interested in watching, and if you want me to entertain you, just keep watching. So before we begin, I'm actually going to switch over to my other camera, and when I do this, I'm actually going to have fully edited this video right here, basically to the point where I would be completely finished except for the voiceover. So all I have to do is go straight through with the voiceover. Usually I don't go straight through with a voiceover. I usually have to stop every like 3 clips or so and then start saying the next few things. But because I feel like this is a challenge, I should treat it like a challenge and have to take one take to go through the entire video and see how horrible I do. So anyways, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, I'm definitely interested to see how this goes. I'm relatively nervous just because I know I have to redo this every single time I do a voiceover. So I mean, it's a blessing in disguise that I have like only one chance to get it right. But I'm also kind of nervous because I feel like this is going to end badly, but you know, we're just gonna see what happens. Okay, so I have the app open. To start it, you just press start jamming speech and you can choose to record it or not record it. I'm going to record it just for fun. I don't think I'm gonna include it in the video just because what you guys are gonna be hearing is through the microphone. So let's give it a whirl, shall we? So to get started, I'm going to be taking my NYX Photo Loving Primer and just applying it all over my face to fill in my pores. Then I'm going to be taking my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation in medium sand and just applying that all over my face with a large Morphe buffing brush. Then I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 14 and applying that to all of the areas that I want to highlight. So this is under my eyes, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, under my cheekbones, my forehead, and my temples. And then I'm going to be taking my ColourPop, I think it's the F5 fluffy brush, and I'm going to be brushing away and blending the concealer. It's better than a beauty blender in my opinion. Then I'm going to be taking my Airspun translucent powder and a dry Morphe sponge and setting that before moving on to eyes. I'm taking my Smashbox primer and priming my eyes. Then I'm going into my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and I'm going to be highlighting my brow bone with this champagne color and blending it out so it's natural. Then I'm going to be taking this light nude color and sweeping it into the crease so that we have a transition shade. Then I'm going to be taking this yellow eyeshadow and applying that into the crease, and I'm going to be blending that out so it's not harsh. Then I'm going to be taking this rose gold eyeshadow and packing that onto the lid because I thought it looked pretty with this orangey colored look. Blending it out again, and then I'm taking this rust color and applying that into the crease, and I'm going to be taking this darker reddish rust and applying that into the outer crease and blending it out. Then I'm going to be brushing away the excess translucent powder, and I'm going to be taking this burgundy color, applying it to the lower, and this red one and putting it to the lower, and then I'm going to be blending it out and going back into the champagne color and putting that in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm going to be creating a wing, and I'm going to just put that on my lash line and making it look as sharp as possible, like a sharp dressed man on my eyes. Moving on to contour, I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette, and I'm going to be applying that in the areas that I want to deepen and add some nice shadows. And you just want to blend that out before you go into your Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and then blush up your face with your Lorac Matte Blush and Tinge before spraying your entire face with your Morphe setting spray, and also taking your Anastasia Beverly Hills That Glow kit and highlighting your face so it's glowing. Moving on to eyelashes, we're taking our Tardiest Lash Paint Mascara, sweeping that through our eyelashes. Then we're taking our Bite number 16 lip pencil, outlining our lips. And then we're taking Julep, and I think it's Aquarius, onto our lips. I thought this combo looked really pretty because Julep looked a little too bright in my opinion. Then we're going to be taking our Sephora Perfect Nude lip gloss, and last but not least, we're taking our Kiss Ritzy eyelashes and putting that on our lash line. What have I done? That was, I can already tell that was rough. Oh, and I can tell that my volumes are jacked up, so I'm probably gonna have to go into post-production and fix that because at the moment it's quite loud. Well, oh, this is exciting. Okay, I kind of want to just see what it sounds like. Just gonna go to a random part and listen. Then I'm going into Jaclyn Hill Morphe. What the heck? This is great. This is just beautiful. I'm excited for you guys to see this. Alright, well anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope that was entertaining for you guys. Feel free to recreate this and do it yourself. I would love to see how they turn out because I thought that this was really fun to do. Just feeling the delay and trying to push through it and sound normal, but also just giving in and willing to stumble over your words. It's really fun, and even if you don't make a video about it, definitely download the app and just do it with some friends and tell a weird story, or, you know, story time with a voice speech jamming app. I feel like that would be really fun and entertaining to watch. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. With all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.